Hey, what's up everyone? In this short video, you're going to learn how to check word count on Google Docs. Google Docs provide very easy ways to do that. Let me show you how. Open any of your Google Docs file, go to Tools, and then click Word Count. Then it will show you the word count, character count, and number of pages of your entire file. You can also do that by simply pressing Ctrl-Shift-C or Command-Shift-C. And if you check this box here, then it will show you the word count at the bottom left corner. Whenever you type anything, the word count will be automatically updated. And just in case, if you want to know the word count of a specific paragraph, then select the paragraph and the word count of that paragraph will be shown here. And if you want to turn it off, then click this arrow button here and then click Hide Word Count. So that's all for today. If you want to learn more about Google Docs, then see the other videos of this channel. Good luck!